$10,000 credit card with no impact on credit. Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Oaks. In this video, we are going to show you how you can get this $10,000 credit card with no effect on your credit score at all. It means your credit score will not go down and they will not put a hard inquiry initially on your credit. We are going to tell you each and everything about this very important credit card, so make sure you watch this video till the end because we are going to show you the step-by-step guideline how you can apply this $10,000 credit card. And remember that we are going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $10,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button right now and click on the bell icon to watch that video, and please smash that like button as it really helps the channel. So without any further ado, let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go! So finally, here is the biggest opportunity that you all have been waiting for a very long time. Bank Mobile is right here in front of you, and according to them, giving you the credit that you deserve. Yes, in this video, we are going to review this Bank Mobile credit card. At the same time, we will show you how you can fill out the application and how you can get this credit card as a pre-qualification with no impact on your credit score. Remember, this is a MasterCard. It means a lot of perks are coming to you. One more thing that we would like to tell you right here, this is a very important video, so make sure you don't miss any part from this video and watch it till the end to know how you can get this credit card, especially in this time of inflation when the people are really worried and they need some leverage, and getting a credit card is indeed a best option right now. But remember, when you use a credit card, use it responsibly and pay at the end of every month. Remember, when it comes to the Bank Mobile credit card, there's a lot of pros of this credit card, and we are going to tell you each and everything about this. Remember, they tell you how it works, and we are going to tell you about that. But what about the perks of this? Remember that they say that they have the peace of mind with ID and theft protection, and they also say more ways to pay with Apple Pay, Google Pay and Samsung Pay. Means you can add this credit card with your Apple Pay, Google Pay and Samsung Pay, and you can use it without any worries and without having a physical card. Keep your hard-earned money, no annual fee at all. We love the credit cards on Credit Oaks channel, which has no annual fee because it gives the peace of mind that no money will be deducted from your account at the end of the year. It's eco-friendly, paperless statement, means you won't have the papers in your mailboxes. Emergency cash advance and card replacement. Remember, if you are needing cash, you can always do the emergency cash advance with this credit card, and you can also replace the card as well if something happens to it. They also have the EMV chip technology, provide the extra layer of security. Remember, there are rates and fees summary, and we are going to show you right here. Variable annual percentage rate, APR 16.99% to 24.99%. It depends on your credit ratings as well. And you know what? The annual fee is $0. This is indeed what we love about these sort of credit cards. Remember, they also said that they have Easy Card. So with Easy Card, you will have 24/7 access to your Bank Mobile Credit MasterCard account information plus services that make your card convenient and easy to manage. They say once you approve, your account will be reviewed every 6 months for potential credit line increase or card upgrade as well. Means they have more cards as well that you can get with more perks. To activate your card, of course, you can go to the easy card and we'll tell you each and everything about it. Don't worry about it, right? So you can earn points and get rewarded as well. Just turn your big and small purchases into rewards because it's a rewards card as well. Eligible card holders that qualify for the Bank Mobile Credit Rewards MasterCard. Remember what MasterCard means? Means free phone insurance and a lot of perks. So eligible card holders that qualify with the Bank Mobile Credit Rewards MasterCard can earn points that can be redeemed towards travel, merchandise, or credit back to your credit card into your bank account. This is indeed a very important thing right here, because I always love to have hard cash into my bank account instead of redeeming those into travel or merchandise, etc., which is always expensive with these perks. But getting the hard cash means you're using it, you're getting the cash back, and you're putting into your personal savings or checking bank account is indeed one of the best things. So start earning points. As they say, you can redeem 1% cash back or more, and you can reward yourself, of course, and you can go to your easy card account when you get the card and you see your rewards as well. So they have a couple of questions, right? Does the Bank Mobile Credit MasterCard account have fixed rate or variable rate? The Bank Mobile MasterCard is issued by a consumer bank and has a variable interest. So it has a variable interest tied to the prime rate, which means it can change throughout the life of the card. Complete a brief application by clicking here, and we will give you the link right here in the video's description. You can click on it and see. But one thing that we would like to tell you right here, that if you don't carry balance, you're not going to pay the APR, so don't worry about it, right? So always pay your balance in full at the end of the year, and you will not have any sort of credit, or you will not have any sort of APR, means interest hit to you on your bank account. Now let's see how you can apply this credit card and what are the things that you can do. So all you need to do is just click get started right here. We're also going to put the link below in the video's description. You can click on it and apply for this. So when you click on right here, go to deserve, and then it asks you a couple of questions. Actually not a couple of questions, but a lot of questions. What we love about this one is the checking for credit cards is easy and secure, means you won't have any problems. Simply fill out the form to see if you qualify. Your data is encrypted and secure, and the great thing about, you know what, it's not gonna affect your credit score. And where it is, let me just show you right here. As you can see right here, they say that this is not a credit card application because it's just a pre-qualification and it will not affect your credit score. So as you say, credit score will not be affected, and this is indeed a very big opportunity. So starting with the first name, suffix if you have any, last name, date of birth, social security number. Don't worry, it's not going to put a hard inquiry on your credit. Mother's maiden name, address, zip code, phone number, email address, and of course they have their disclaimer, and then you click on agree. Remember, if you get the offer and you click that I approve it, then they will do the hard pull, so make sure you remember this. So this is indeed a very important video for millions of Americans who are in need of credit card right now. Thank you so much. We will see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.